I'm in my mid-50s. I finally quit drinking to save my relationship, but I was too late. My fiancé is in the arms of another man, and I'm alone with my sobriety. Dear doctor, I spent years choosing the bottle over the woman I love. My fiancé begged me to stop, cried for me to change, and stayed longer than she should have. Eventually, she couldn't take it anymore, and also the broken promises, and she chose to walk away. Her leaving was the wake-up call I needed. I'm in my 50s now, and I've finally gotten sober. I am the man she always wanted me to be. But here's the sad part. While I was healing, she was moving on. She's engaged to someone else now. I'm still madly in love with her. Every sober days feel like a victory I can't share with her anymore. It feels like I ran a marathon only to find the finish line has been moved. How can you help a man forgive himself when he finally has the best self to offer but no one to give it to? Please help me. Sincerely, the sober ghost. This is rather sad, no, doctor?
Well, yes and no. I think he has the gift from her to heal himself, but he needs to do it for himself rather than for her. So now he is able to heal himself, to be in good psychological health, physical health. That's great.
So one thing good is about you get this and then now you have sober up. How about the grieving process?
Definitely he needs to go through a grieving process. So it is like, someone has died, but it's even worse because the person that you want, that you love, has not died. It's just that she doesn't want you anymore. That's even more painful. So he does definitely needs to go through a grieving process. At the International Psychology Center, we do a grief therapy, which is important. You have to go through various stages of grief, from sadness to anger to fear, and only then to the final stage of acceptance.
So do you think he should go no contact with her, do not look into her social media to jinx up the anxiety?
That will be good, right? Because when he is still emotionally dependent on her, it will be difficult to let go.
But I see a lot of contents out there with saying that go no contact, but we are all human. How can we stop ourselves of not checking into our...
Well, then he will need some replacement things to do, not necessarily another woman, right? But other things that will give him pleasure. He has pleasure-seeking self, right? Maybe some sports, some other hobbies. And of course, he can go dating, but nothing immediately serious. You don't want her to be, finding a rebound. Exactly, yes.